Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. This is the first week of my October mini kit Monday, and I'm doing fall. If you saw my kit intro last week, you know that I included everything that I had used the month before and plus added to this. So this is some of the new paper that I had added. And I absolutely love this authentique. It breaks my heart that on the opposite side, there's like a newsprint or a typewriter. Oh, I love that. But I really need that yellow. So I will use that. I wanted to say about my photo, I do use a free app. It's called Pick Stitch. I get it on my phone. And that way I'm able to change or print out from home the different sizes of photos that I want. And I often use that photo of my little kitty cat, Sophie. She's outside my patio or my back door in my apartment last year. That's as close as I get for fall pictures for Texas. Yeah, we don't get the pretty colors of orange and red. Not usually. So that's what I got. And I also wanted to make sure you guys follow the other ladies that are doing the Mini Kit Monday. It would be Becky, Dollie, Kathy, and JoJo. I think Daisy's taking this month off, which is fine. I know she'll join us again. So anybody else that would like to join us, please let us know so we can add your link to your video, to our videos. It is open to anyone. It's not exclusive. That's one of the things I like about this group. They don't handpick people. It's just whoever wants to do it can do it. I love that part. Very inclusive. As you can tell, I am struggling trying to get this straight. I tried several times, and this last time I try it, it is not straight by any means, but I am so tired of messing with it. So I just go ahead and put it down. In fact, the first time I put it down was the closest to it being straight. And as you can tell, the edges are not even, but I'm okay with it because when I look at it, I don't really see that. I'm looking at the photos, I'm looking at the leaves, and that's the way it should be. So I am, putting some washi tape where those two edges meet because it seems to me that whenever I put my page in the page protector and then I slide the page behind it, it gets hung up there in the, in that area. And I'm like, no. I'll just use some washi tape. And I always use washi tape that I don't like. And I'm not a big washi tape fan as it is. And I really don't like that width, so it was perfect. In fact, I'm almost out of that washi tape. All righty, so I'm going to use this dark brown for my shelf, for my photo, and I am using, let's see, I'll use this authentique paper, which is the one I'm cutting presently, some dark brown, and the page that I had used as the outer border to make leaves. Now, as you see, I'm picking up here. These are some Sizzix die cuts that I just got. I got them last year, and I haven't used them. And then those are Lawn Fawn stitch leaves. I've had those for years. And then I have this Happy that I cut out at the brown. Now, I don't know if I just didn't want to show you how I used my die cut, my little, for my steel die cuts, or if I lost the video. I don't know what happened, but I did. I cut all of those out of the Sizzix die cuts of those different color papers, and I actually glued them all down, which I'm glad because it took a while. And if you saw me fiddle and fuss about that, this video would be way too long and way too boring. So this is how it is. Okay, so the Happy, sometimes I cut 2 or 3 out of the same color, and that way it makes it very thick. But this time, I didn't want to use too much brown because I wanted to save as much as I could for the leaves. And I'm adding some foam tape behind each of the letters of the word fall. And I'm trimming off the little perforation of, each one of those letters Now, I know that most people would probably make a little banner where it's kind of rounded, but I decided to make them square. On that photo mat next to my photo, there is a tag, or actually it's, oh gosh, I can't even think what all these things are called. Anyway, it says notes, and now I'm going to glue down some of the leaves. I do add some sequins to it. I don't make you watch me put those on. I also add some sprinkles at the end that I don't show how to do. You can see in the still shots at the beginning and at the very end of this video. Now there is an element that, or a little cluster that I'm going to put up here at the upper right, but I don't like the stripe. I think it's very distracting. So I cut out this oval in the scallop shape that it shows. And that oval shape says, "And the leaves come tumbling down." And I'm going to put that in the upper right-hand corner along with those two leaves that are there. Now the dark brown, normally I would put a dark brown leaf, but because the scallop border is dark brown, I feel that it doesn't need it. But I do add a dark sequin there, so it helps, draw your eye upwards. And I'm not sure if I even show me putting down the word y'all. Under the word fall, I added, it's rose gold, and I believe they are Maggie Holmes. They are alpha stickers. They're kind of small, and I put the word y'all. I don't want to go too overkill with all these leaves, but it is a fall page, and I love this. This is the first time I've used that die cut, and this is it. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. I will look forward to seeing you guys next time. Okay, bye-bye.